Hello and welcome to the Leutron Vision Screencast. My name is Sebastian Stetter and I will introduce you to Simplon Explorer, which is part of the Simplon software developer suite. Besides the camera driver and the image acquisition API, the Simplon developers package contains some helpful tools which can simplify writing your own image acquisition code and save you a lot of development time. In the next couple of minutes, I will give you some brief examples of how to use Simplon to simplify the development of image acquisition code. First, we need to start Simplon Explorer. Then we choose one of the attached cameras from the Found Cameras tab on the left side of the window. Now the feature tree opens up, showing all the GenICam features of our selected camera. At the upper side of our windows is the toolbar, which gives us easy access to the most important functions of Simplon Explorer. Here we can close a camera or start the acquisition. If we click that button, we see the current live image of our camera in the right window area. We use this button here to stop the acquisition. But the toolbar offers some more helpful functions. Send Software trigger lets us record a single image. You can use the button Save Current Image to save the currently shown image to disk. Here we can change the view for our feature tree. We can choose if we want to see just the most important features, even advanced features, or all features our connected camera has. This reduces complexity and helps the user finding desired functions more quickly. The magnifier button lets Simplon Explorer search for specific features inside the feature tree. Save Camera Settings saves our previously changed settings to disk for later use. The next three buttons influence the view of the camera image. Here we can choose between original size, a scaled view that fits the visible window area, or a tiled view showing a sequence of images. The next two buttons are used for generating source code. This one generates code snippets that can be inserted in own code files. The other one opens the Sourcecode Generation wizard, which produces complete projects with all the required files. A click on this icon reveals parameters for gamma, brightness, contrast, and saturation. Here we can adjust the camera to show a nice live image. Let's have a look at the feature tree in some more detail. Here we can see all the GenICam features of our connected camera, and we can edit their settings directly. Depending on the type of function, the image acquisition needs to be stopped. Every parameter that can be changed in the current state is displayed in green font. Let's change the image height, for example. As soon as the image acquisition is restarted, we can see that our camera image is now half as high as before. Now we change the exposure time. This setting can be changed in real time while the image acquisition is running. Below the feature tree is the info window. Information about the currently selected feature is displayed here. One click on Show Source Code in the Source Code menu shows additional sample code in the info window. This sample code can easily be pasted into our own source code. Now we finish our quick overview over Simplon Explorer to take a closer look on the Sourcecode Generator. We use our previously done settings and create a source code project using the Sourcecode Generation wizard. The image acquisition is stopped automatically. We can now create project files for various different programming languages. We choose C++ for now. The template area shows different options for code projects. we will create code for a simple Windows application and Visual Studio. Depending on the selected template, we can set different parameters in the parameter area. Here, we change the number of buffers, for instance. We include a small image processing routine that can be viewed in the generated code example later. After clicking Generate Project, Simplon has automatically created all the necessary files for our project with Visual Studio. Now we find a source code file and a project file in our previously selected project directory. Let's open the project file. Now we can view the automatically generated code. We compile it and launch the application. And here comes our sample program. Camera, open camera, opens the connected camera. Camera acquisition start, starts the image acquisition. And camera process image activates our small image processing routine, in this case a simple inversion we inserted as example. The source code of this routine is here in the source code file of our project, where we can replace it with our own functions. That's all from me for today. I hope you enjoyed our small tour with Simplon Explorer. For more information on our Gigi Vision and smart cameras, please visit www.leutron.com. For questions, call us or send us an email to intsales@leutron.com. Thanks, take care and goodbye.